Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I will teach you about the various types of numerical methods like finite element method, finite difference method, or volume methods to solve the partial differential equation. First, first I will go for the finite element method with C++, and I will also teach you about the programming in that. In this finite element method is a very powerful numerical method to solve the complex and simple partial differential equation. It is used in this method, and the domains are divided into small pieces called elements. And for that, each element's data is calculated, and later that and each data will assemble into global weight data and so in form into numerical linear equations. It is hard to solve, and this linear solution of the linear equation will get the solution of the partial differential equation. So eh, I can say finite element method just follow the divide and conquer rule. Like eating this whole pizza is very difficult task. But if you cut into these pieces, and you will will be easily to eat. Similar to this finite element works. So these are the two examples of the finite element method, where in this element, this is a first structural problem which it is a cantilever beam, where this portion is fixed and one UDL force is applied over here. The you can see the deflection data here, and this if you see this is the domain have divided into 16 passes and assembled into whole domain. This is another example of the finite element method for the multi-physics operation, but it's all the electrothermal problem where the current port is provided here, current density is going here and grounded in this port. This, if you see this arrow, it is showing the how current are passing in this bus bar, and the blue and the solid contour line provide the thermal temperature of this where the temperature is high where near the ports and the ground port, because all the currents are coming here. A high current implies the I square R, which is increase in heat, and heat higher the heat means higher the temperature. Thank you. So these are the bad. My program will be my actually my lecture will be in two parts. First part I will teach you about the theory and background about the finite element method. What are the partial differential equation? What kind of boundary conditions are implied? What is the strong function, weak function, Galerkin methods to get the shape functions and divide the domain. And this is and how to calculate the element data like stiffness element, force vector element, everything. Then this stiffness vector into global stiffness formula and local force vector into global force vector. And then we will implement the boundary conditions in here and form the Ku equal to F and linear equation, and this linear equation will be solved by the linear solvers. There are so many types of linear solvers. Then part 2 I will teach you about the how to generate mesh and element, how to store the data in an element and calculate the stiffness matrix using program, calculate the force vector, source vector in program. Then how to convert the source vector into global force vector and source stiffness element stiffness to global stiffness matrix. Then after the form implementing the forming, I will teach you about the how to use Jacobi method, Gauss-Seidel method, successive or relaxation method. With this conventional three methods, I will also teach the precondition conjugate gradient method. It is a very powerful linear solver, which takes less iteration than these three methods. Then after the solution of we will get the U and implement into post processing. I will teach you also that. So this is the introductory course, and so introductory. So for the next lecture, I will teach you about the first one-dimensional finite element method, and what are the governing equation involved in the one-dimensional finite element method for like thermal, electrical, and structural physics. After the teaching of the finite element method in 1D, then we will go for the two-dimensional finite element method. First, I will teach you one-dimensional finite element method with C++ programming also. Thank you, and please like and share. And if you have any suggestion, please comment. Thank you.